Okay, everyone, here is the good news and the bad news about the fire alarms at the schools that I attended over the years when it comes to them being messed with. The good news is that none of the fire alarms at any of those schools were tampered with as far as taking them off the wall or the ceiling, painting them, writing, or drawing on them, or doing anything like that to them. That was the good news, and I hope it never happens. But the bad news, when it comes to kids messing with the fire alarms at the schools that I attended over the years, there were some kids that did pull the alarm and got into big trouble for doing that and learned their lesson. I hope they did. The good news is that they did learn their lesson and never did it again. But when it comes to tampering with the fire alarms, that never happened, and I definitely hope that never happens. Ever. Bye.